Welcome back, guys. Today we have a Samsung washer. It have the SUD error that is very common. I'll show you. It's only take like a 3-4 minutes to make it clear. So here is the filter at the bottom. We are going to open this. So I have the stand, so make sure so we can keep some kind of the plastic at the bottom. So if there is any water is keep coming in, that will stay here. Let me open this lock. Here we did open, so just make sure here is the pipe. It does have the lock, so we have to remove this lock and flush all the water. So let me take off this, the front lid, so the water can flush. Here you can see it's flushing the water in the pan. So it's depend on how much is the water inside the washer you have. So let me flush. So that is almost end. So this little bit keep coming, then stopping, coming. So it looks like empty. So now we have to open this. Just open it like the anti-clock side, like this way, and we have to clean. There is a filter here. Oh my gosh, see here, that is the reason there is a sensor that giving some kind of error. You can clean this in the sink. Let me clean it. I just wash it. You can see now I'm going to back it tight. So make sure I'm going to tight on the clock side. Make sure that is a plastic made. Don't make it really tight until you heard the final click. So let's just keep going on. See, you heard the click, and now I have the lock that I'm going to fix at the front. So the lock is back on. This is done. Just make sure. So here is the small click here. So we will hang the pipe there. That is not coming back. Just we will lock this thing. There you go. And because we leave it on, I will turn off this, then turn it back on, so possibility that will be gone. I did turn on, that is on the rinse because we have the cloth inside. So just make sure, take the cloth off and power off, then power on. Let me take the cloth off, then power off, then power on. So just make sure I told you just take the cloth off, but I skipped this one. I just unplug the switch and plug it back. Then unplug, turn the power on. It gave me the code. Then I unplug and plug it back. The code is clear. So we just turn on that machine, and that does start working. You can see start working. There you go. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.